In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to add education in Facebook profile. Let's get started. First, launch a Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the profile icon. With that, you'll be directed to the profile page. Now go ahead and click on the pen kind of icon given at the top right. You'll be directed to the edit profile page. Scroll down. Here you're going to find the section of education. Now tap high school or college. Now tap on add college or add university depending on the type of education you want to add. A new page will open where you can search for the name of a school, college, or university. Simply type the name into the search bar and select the correct option from the list. After selecting it, you can also enter additional details such as your field of study, graduation year, or the time period you attended the institution. Once you have filled in the information, tap on Save. Before you do that, you are also able to choose your audience. Then you can click on Save. With that, education will be added in your Facebook profile. So this way you can easily add education in your Facebook profile. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.